Hey guys, this is just a quick update. Now, obviously me and Nathan got married. I've had so much going on. I've still got to change all my name over. But this is just a quick update to let you guys know that I still will be filming. It's just going to take a little while longer than expected. See, after the wedding I went straight back to work. Obviously trying to get back into the routine, tidying up all the wedding stuff. So please be patient with me at the moment. I do have a eBay order coming very soon. It's a mini eBay order. But what I'm going to do is film a couple of videos, pop on my laptop, and then when I've got quite a few, then I'll just upload like I did last time when I had that little break. But yeah, this is just a quick update just to let you guys know what's going on. It might be very short, so I do apologise. But in the meantime, I've been tidying up, I've been organising things. I've put my new photo frame there, which you guys will see in a video hopefully very soon, because obviously we're sorting out the whole bedside tables. I've got my dressing table to finish. But yeah, I've been buying things from Amazon, just like little pink organisations just to go in my dressing table drawers. Again, which the video will be coming up very soon as well. But yeah, I thought I would quickly do a little update just to let you guys know what's going on. I'm still filming, I'm still going to be uploading. It's just going to take me a little while longer than expected. Obviously I've got so much to do. I've still got to change my name over. I can't do nothing at the moment until I've got the marriage certificate, and then I've got to change the name over. So obviously we're saving extra money on top of what we got for the wedding, for our honeymoon as well. So I'm putting extra money towards that, paying things off. I want to get a new laptop. So yeah, it's just a lot going on at the moment. Please bear with me. There will be content going up. Yeah, just please bear with me for a minute or two. It might be longer than a week. If it is longer than a week, then I do apologise, but please bear with me. I'm trying to get back to normality. I'm organising things. I want to make everything perfect in this bedroom, make our life perfect as much as possible. And yeah, I want us to have a nice holiday as well, / honeymoon. So yeah, there will be Temu orders, there will be Shein hauls, there'll be Amazon. There's literally loads. Obviously we've got Christmas coming up as well, and obviously, sorry, I have my hands for a second. I've got Nathan's birthday on the 14th of August, so he's 30, so I've got that coming up. Obviously my birthday, then Christmas, so straight after the wedding it was like one thing after another, you know. So I'm literally in a rush to get everything done. But yeah, there's going to be obviously advent calendars this year. There's going to be Christmas. Me and Lacey's going to go to Canterbury this year instead of Chatham for our Christmas annual shop. So there is plenty of videos going to come up your way, guys. But just for now, please be patient. I'm trying to get back to normality after getting married. I'm organising a lot of things as we speak. Yeah, I hope you guys don't mind just waiting a little bit longer. There will be loads of content coming up your way. Obviously, got a new dressing table. Gonna order a new one of them. I've got not dressing table, bedside table, sorry. Obviously I'm finishing off my dressing table. I do have parts of it already on my laptop. I just need to finish it and then edit it and then put it up for you guys. So that is partly, I would say that's like 90% done. I've just got to get the last little bits. So yeah, you got that video coming up. Yeah, just got so many more videos, so please be patient with me. I know it's going to be a long while, but please be patient. There is so much content going up your way, guys, and obviously loads of holiday content coming up as well. I can't wait. But yeah, bye guys.